So a lot of people have nuts, bolts, pins, and all different types of crap, hardware stuff like this, that over the years they just started getting a little bit rusted and hard to manage, hard to take off, hard to use, and whatever you want to say. Some people want to replace them. That's fine. What about people that's on a budget? Me, I'm on a budget. So what I do is I take these guys here, I clean them up. Save lots of money cleaning up your own bolts and your pins. Make them new again. A few years ago, I had to go to a machine shop and I had to make this guy here. These guys, they use a certain way. They have a special tool, which is here, which also had to be made because I was missing a couple of them. This goes on top of here. You see a little hole right here. This goes on here, and a little pin goes inside and locks it into place, so that way you're able to twist it. Well, these guys were left. I had to try to save some money because I had these built, and a guy charged me $75 a piece. Well, I don't have $75 a piece to buy some more, especially when I already have them. So you got to clean them up. You got to do what you got to do. And I think the outcome came out all right. They spin easily. Before they were seized on there, they couldn't move at all. I had to put some spacers on them. These spacers are just washers that I had laying around in the shop. Those washers were expensive also, but I have no use for them whatsoever. They were all pretty much rusted out and bad as well. I just cleaned them up, made it look a little bit better. Not perfect, but it's definitely better. So now we're going to get back over here and get these guys done here. Save a little bit more money. I think when I bought these originally, they were $3 a piece. $3 and change a piece probably. And then I have these guys down there. These here is just common stock steel with holes drilled in them, but they're bent. I don't have time. So if you want to see me do some more do-it-yourself stuff, all you got to do is just hit like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Plenty of things to show you.